Here I have this very nice electric dartboard that comes with the dartboard itself. 6 darts, 3 red, 3 blue, and a bunch of different tips. 2 screws to screw in the dartboard and the plug, power cord. You could see it has all these games here. So here's the game list. You could set up to 8 players. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it works. So this is how the dart looks completed, and this is how you make it. You get the flight and the body, and all you do is just screw it in. And then once you do that, you go ahead and grab a tip, and then you screw in the tip. And just like that, the dart is made. So when you're mounting it, the top hole, the top screw, that one needs to be at 75 inches. The middle is at 68 inches, and the bottom one is at 60. So this is 60 inches to line up with that one. So let's go ahead and drill them in. I forgot to mention, it runs on batteries also. So you could put 3 AA batteries, or you could use the cord. So that's a great option to have for this dartboard. So I set it up for, where is it at? G15, which is no score cricket. So as you can see, player 1 hit the 15, and player 2 hit the 17 and the bullseye. So let me show you. I'm gonna go ahead and throw right now. All right, so I got the 17 triple, and I close it out. So this thing's pretty nice, and it's funny. I like it when it says miss. On the sides of the dartboard, it has 3 slots on each side to go ahead and store the darts. So I thought that was pretty nice. So that's how it looks when you store the darts. So really nice dartboard.
Next player.